And another course that we're producing is a service ownership course. It's called User-Centered Service Owners. Now, this course is designed for people who are leading and managing services right now. So this will be people who are currently sort of thinking of themselves as service owners. You might see yourself in more of a business analysis role. You might be head of service in a local authority. Whatever words you use to describe it, essentially this is a course to understand how we design and deliver user-centered agile services. So we talk through that process from start to finish, talking through the phases of research and discovery around what our users need, talking through prototyping. We talk through how we build an agile multidisciplinary team. We talk about service standards and how we work to legal requirements for services, particularly around accessibility and inclusion. And we'll talk about how to kind of construct continuous improvement of your service over time. So the service owner course is a really, really in-depth kind of vocational course for people who are already existing service owners, who want to understand a little bit more about how to be more user-centered and agile in what they do, or for people who are hoping to become service owners from other disciplines. So if that sounds like you, please do join us on the User-Centered Service Ownership course.